Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to work on hurting some feelings by getting these Snakeeater 850cc injectors I just got put into the E36. So quick little overview of what I ended up getting are these Snakeeater 850cc. You can see that on there. These are all flow matched from Snakeeater, and they actually will give you a diagram of how each one of these performed in the variants off of every single one of them, and they go through a wide range of settings on there, so you can be pretty sure you're getting exactly what you need. So these are the Deka style injectors with the EV1 plugs. So I did go ahead and order a set of the EV1 to truck style, the Multec style plugs, whatever. Anyways, these are Amazon special, $15.99. So got a set of these, and these will adapt them over so I don't have to chop up the harness. Because we're keeping the original truck intake, we will have to modify these to fit. And to do that, I ended up getting a set of these 1/2-inch spacers. So check that. And these were about $6.99 on Amazon. And all they're going to do is lift the fuel rail up 1/2 inch. And that's going to be the offset we're going to need to make these Deka style injectors fit. So other than that, we did get this. This was absolutely necessary because I love stickers. Ask anybody. I want all the stickers. If you guys have stickers, send me stickers. Send me all your stickers. All right, so that covers everything we got for the injector swap, and we'll go over to the car. So far, I already disconnected the fuel rail from the intake, and I've already pulled the injectors free, and I've already bled off the pressure from the fuel rail. So the only thing we're going to need to do now to actually do the swap is we're going to flip the fuel rail upside down, so that way we don't dump all the gas out, just most of the gas out. And then we'll just do one at a time injector swaps until they're all done, and then put the injector rail back on. And that's all we're actually going to do for the injector swap. After that, we're just going to need to retune the PCM for the larger injectors. These are 80 pound-an-hour injectors at 43 psi. The stock fuel system, however, runs at about 58 psi, so that makes them about 93 pound-an-hour injectors. So we'll actually go over that when we remap the fuel injectors on the tune, and I'll show you guys how you go through and do that. So let's go ahead and get this knocked out. we just flashed a new tune on, and we upped the injector size to a 92.9 pound an hour injector, which is scaled out for the fuel system. We're going to check for leaks, but I mean, why bother? It'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. We're going to go ahead and do a quick fire up here and see if that will actually run an idle with those new settings in there, or if I just completely screwed everything up. So we'll see if we can get this to fire up now. That's a good sign. That's an even better sign. Whoa! Yeah. Perfect.